on your project?
Yes, sir.
What book are you looking for?
Don't know. Something about child psych.
So what's your project about?
Children's psychology.
What class is it for?
Child psych. Have you really not connected the dots yet?
What do dots have to do with this?
Shut up. Shut the hell up. You're in a library. God damn it.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
I'm sorry too.
He's not my friend. Please don't get this confused. He just follows me around.
I don't care. Just shut up. It's a library. Jesus.
Sorry, I got my book anyway.
Seriously though, we're really good friends. She should speak